Boy finessed his, boy did it on his run. I'll tell you outside. Boy had a wrap. 12 to 2. It was a 12 to 2. Guess what time it is? 12:35. Had like 5 stops. 12:35. Already heading back. I finished all my runs. No! There's no walking it slow today, people. No avoiding the next run. You're gonna have to face it. It happened to happen. Maybe I could get out. Still might put some all in. Might get home on the size to do. Buy some new shorts. Shorts. Yeah. Do that later. Then we're going to my PC. My new PC. I'm excited. Be on the lookout for that. Up to the vlog, your boy Jason here, boy. Let's get it. Gotta run. Let's get it. If you're new, subscribe. Try to do the YouTube thing. Got exciting videos coming up. It's going to be lit. Subscribe for better notifications. You want to miss my new PC build? I ordered it. Crazy. Pretty decent high-end Ryzen build. So you should look out for that. Wondering what my build is? It's a Ryzen 590. No, messed up. Wondering what my build is? It's a Ryzen 7 1700 with a RX 590 with 16 gigs of RAM. A 750 watt EVGA power supply. Oh, yeah! It's an ultra high heading. The one I have now, what I have now is a AMD A8 with a GTX with a RX 560 and 8 gigs of RAM. And my motherboard only supports 6 slots. So yeah, upgrade. It's gonna be lit. So my old build. My uncle bought it. Sold it to him. He's gonna use it for someone in our family who wants a computer. So for mine, yeah, for a real one. We lit. Shipping to his house. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna come this weekend. We're gonna put it together. So be on the lookout for that video. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, you guys should subscribe so you don't miss it. Now I'm gonna keep it like that. And eventually I'm thinking of water cooling, but not now. Like in a little while I'll do it. The boy money is tight now. Spent all I had on that computer. Now I have to buy it. So we're Gucci. And I'm good for the next couple of years. In like a couple of months, or I don't know when, I'm gonna get water cooling. And upgrade it, make it even better. Right, so this is what we got to the stairs. Not the prettiest, because it's not the brightest, but it should be 75 today. Cool 75. So let's continue our journey to our next destination. It's been a long time, so why not? Look what this says. Rubbish. They put in trash, they put in rubbish. Look, this is rubbish. This is trash, this is rubbish. Throw your rubbish. Never see that. Usually saying trash, but this one says rubbish. Water, and it's chilly over here. It is chilly. Cold out here next to the water. Look at that boat. Hey, hey. We took off his sweater, put it in the backpack. I was gonna hide in that thing. So I took it off, put it away, and I'm just gonna roll like this because I think it's like 70-something degrees, so it's beautiful day outside. So let's continue delivering. Hey, I just finished work, going home. My baby there. Everyone does go nuts. To get a nice coffee, very happy. Perfect day. I know. It's a beautiful summer day. Feels like summer. So we lit. I always forget I could order ahead. So while I was walking, I could order it. The guy here probably would have been ready. But I totally forgot. I could order it while I was in the store. Leaving. Put in Gucci. Right down. So caramelized coffee with cream. Can't go wrong. That's nice. Now you get it right today. That's up, Dunkin' Donuts. Thank you. Oh yeah. I've tried to use my espresso. I do got funds in my Dunkin' Donuts app, so I said, get this extra room. We out here, came to vacuum the car real quick. Go to Chinese food is right across the street. We starving out here. My brother said, let me try vacuuming. I said, yeah, it's free vacuum, so why not? Hoopty getting clean. Hoopty getting clean. Hoopty getting clean before we go eat some food. This car, the black, the white and black is just fire. The panda. This is the Chinese place we're gonna eat at. Hang Wong. Better be good. There's not many good places out here, but people said this one's good, so we're trusting their word.